Welcome to Being Well. This is a complete beginner's meditation practice. So, if you are looking to get into meditation or have struggled to get into meditation before, this practice is perfect for you. So, what we're going to do is we're going to let go of all expectations. It does not have to look or be any sort of way, and this is, I believe, one of the biggest problems with meditation. Everybody thinks that it is that they have to be sat with their legs crossed, hands on their knees, and no thoughts in the mind. This is an illusion, and especially if you are new, you are going to have thousands of thoughts running around in your head distracting you. So the first thing I want you to know is that this is okay. It is also okay if you struggle to have your eyes closed. I am going to invite you to close them, but if you open them, and they do come open sometimes, that is also okay. So just taking a moment to get nice and comfortable. And if you want to be laying down, you can lay down. If you want to be seated, you can sit. It doesn't matter. If you are seated and you struggle sitting up and staying straight, maybe you want to place some pillows behind you or lean up against a wall or a chair. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a few little scrunches of the face. So just scrunch up your face and then just let it go. Scrunch it up and let it go. It might feel a little silly, but it's okay. And one more, scrunch it up and let it go. And I want you now just to soften your face muscles that little bit more. So really allowing your face to just relax. Now I'm going to bring our awareness to our shoulders, and we're just going to relax the shoulders. Maybe we want to squeeze them up towards the ears and then just drop them away to help us. That's okay. Maybe we want to do that a couple of times. Maybe we want to take a couple of rolls forward or rolls back with the shoulders. Anything that you need to do to help you get comfortable. And again, this is what it's all about. It's about it being right for you and making it work for you, not how everybody thinks it should be. And now just bring awareness to your body, and I'm going to invite you, if you can and you want to close down your eyes. And when I say awareness to the body, all I want you to do is just notice the body. So maybe you notice that maybe your back hurts a little bit, or maybe you notice that it's quite hard work sitting up. Maybe you notice that you're laying and you actually feel really comfortable and relaxed. Doesn't matter what it is, just observe the body and notice how the body is feeling. Maybe you notice nothing at all. That is also okay. Just observe. We're not here to judge. We are just here to observe the body and work on building a deeper connection, and that starts with observation and awareness. And that is what we are going to focus on in these beginners meditation practices. It's just awareness. So I want you now to bring your awareness to your breath, and I want you to notice the breath coming into the body, and I want you to notice the breath going out of the body. Maybe we notice that the breath is quite quick. Maybe we notice the breath is slow. Again, it doesn't matter. Just observe your natural breath. Don't try to analyze it. Don't try to judge it. Just observe the breath. The art of meditation is all about no judgment, no expectations, just being purely present. And that is all I want you to do right now. Just be present with the breath. Follow the breath coming in and follow the breath going out. And it doesn't have to look any sort of way in terms of whether it comes in through the nose or the mouth. Just let it be. Just let yourself be. Don't try to change anything, just awareness. Just observe what is going on. Maybe you notice your thoughts are wandering. Or maybe now I have just said that you've noticed you didn't have any thoughts and that you were just focused on my voice. Either one of those is okay. And what I want you to do is keep your awareness on your breath. Just keep noticing the breath coming in and out. And when the mind starts to distract us and those thoughts do come in, I want you to observe them, just like you are observing your breath. And what I want you to do is I want you to notice the thought, give it the time and the space that it needs, and then I want you to come back to your breath. So we are just following the breath, but other stuff will happen, the thoughts will come. We let them come, we observe them, we give them the space that they need, and we come back to the breath. Maybe you are struggling to stay with the breath. Maybe you want to bring your awareness to how the body moves with the breath, rather than following the actual breath. This technique helps those who need a bit more of a physical distraction. So you can maybe observe the belly rising and falling, or maybe the chest rising and falling. Or maybe there is another part of your body that moves with the breath, and that is an easier way for you to follow the breath. It doesn't matter. Just follow the breath. Pure, conscious, present awareness. Follow each breath coming in and each breath going out. This is all you need to do. Stay with my breath. Notice how the thoughts come. Notice how the thoughts go when we bring our awareness back to our breath. We are just breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. The thoughts will come, the thoughts will go. The thoughts will come, the thoughts will go. Present awareness of each breath. Breathing in and out. And I want you to stay in this space for the next few minutes. And I want you just to take some time without my guidance to just notice the breath coming in and notice the breath going out. Remembering that any time that you hear the thought, just acknowledge it and then come back to the breath. And now coming back to my voice, just noticing how that experience was for you, how that meditation was without a guidance. And again, we're not judging yet, we're just observing how that experience was and remembering that you are new to meditation. And this is meditation. Following the breath and observing the thoughts is meditation in its purest form. So congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for giving yourself this time to just step outside of the crazy world that we live in, and just taking this time to really turn your attention and your awareness within. Maybe you are in a space now where you want to stay here for a little bit longer. If you do, please stay. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to the channel and you will be notified when we upload more videos. Thank you so much. Take care.